How to track orders in Uzum Market. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website at uzum.uz, then log into your account. Next, navigate to the My Orders section from the home page and select the All tab. Here you can see a list of all your orders along with your current status, which helps you track your purchases from start to finish. Orders go through several stages. Awaiting payment means you have placed the order but have not completed the payment or installments. Packing indicates that the items are being packed at the warehouse and prepared for shipment. Delivery shows that your order is on its way to you. Can be picked up means the order has arrived at the pickup point. Finally, issued to buyer or returned indicates that the goods are either with you or the order has been refused. By checking this section regularly, you can stay updated on your orders, know exactly when to expect delivery, and manage your purchases efficiently. Now you know how to track orders in Uzum Market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.